Great, now let's get started. Teaching reading using an ESA method. I will send the recording to you as well. So, how did I start the lesson? You remember? So, unscrambling. What was the aim? To build the context. Because I asked you see, there are some words, they are scrambled, and I gave you a minute to unscramble it. Where? In group, not individually. In group, why? What's the aim? To engage students to the class. Then after a minute, I checked, you gave your own opinions, then I shared mine. I said, look, a weekend for two. Why I chose this? Because the topic was about vacation. Then first one is unscrambling. Then second, mini discussion. I gave you how many questions? 2 questions in your group to talk to each other. Yeah, where would you go and stay? No, in group. And who would you go and with? I said, imagine you want a ticket and where would you like to go and what would you do there with someone or something else like that. So what do we call it? Mini discussion, not creating. Mini discussion. So you can use one, but I try to use many to help you see what's the next, how can we use it. Then brainstorming. So, what is my question? Write as many words as possible related to vacation. So, you wrote it where? In group on your mini whiteboards. What was the aim? To learn new words and get ready for the next stage. Thank you, I appreciate it. Then you wrote it. After it, what came? What was the name of the activity? Moving mind map. Brainstorming. So, brainstorming, what I said choose a spokesperson. Don't say speech person or something like that. Choose a spokesperson. You chose. Then what I said? Spokespeople. No, spokespeople. Stand up and wait. Then you set the instructions. I press the bell. I said, when I press the bell, you move how? Clockwise. Why? Give one and get one. So, moving mind map, then give one and get one. So, I press the bell, then spokespeople moved how? Clockwise. You shared your words and you got new ones. So after it, what happened? I pressed the bell, then you moved, then you came back, you said, I said, no, spokespeople, you left 30 seconds, share your words in your group. Then you shared, then I said, spokespeople, how many new words did you get? Then you talked about your new words. So, after it, what came? MPF. What's MPF? Meaning, pronunciation, and form. So MPF is like that. Listen. In the engage part, you can use one of them, unscrambling, mini discussion, or brainstorming. One is enough. And MPF is compulsory. We must. So, we need to teach some words. You better take the words from the text. You think that these words are difficult one, essential words. And if they knew these words, they would understand the text easily. So, then you say this. First, N. N means meaning. It means don't, do you remember? SLWR, speak, listen, write and read what you wrote. So, you do it like that. First, don't show the verse. Deliver the meaning. How? You can use a picture, or you need to use some realias or pictures. So I showed a picture. I said, listen, you need to elicit it, make it simple. It is a noun. You say, then you understand it's a noun. It means when you go to the hotel, generally there is a lady or a gentleman who welcomes you and says, you're welcome, and you present your document, they check. What do we call it? You need to say, what do we call it? Then if they can say it, you're serious. It's okay. If you say that they cannot find it, you need to give a hint. You say it starts with R. Pretend. It starts with R. What do we call it? Receptionist. If they say it, if they can't, you say it. You say receptionist, then what comes? P. Pronunciation is like that. So, rule is this. First, you say it loudly. For example, receptionist. You can use like that. First, you say what I do, you imitate. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Receptionist. Why? Re is silent, sep is stressed, shenist. Or you can use this one. Look. Re, silent, receptionist. Or you can do like that. Receptionist. You said they can easily see which part is stressed. So we do it quarterly, 3 times. Then individually. Individually is like that. You need to address your students by their names. Don't say you. Say Nurana. And not like that, like that. Nurana. And she shows. Then one person from each group. Then you pass Elnara, then Sabina, then Nazreen. After everybody done, then you say like that. Let's do it together. Twice. Receptionist and receptionist. Then what comes? F. Yeah, form. Then you write it on the board. You can show and then you can write. Or if you don't want to show, you can just write and ask. What part of speech is this? Noun, verb, then this is a noun. Pay attention to the articles. Generally, this is noun. Let your students use the right article. A noun, a verb. Listen. Then you say, which part is stressed? The second part. Recep is stressed. So, after this, we teach the verse. The sound verse. Sorry. Then what comes? Study part. So we finished the engage part, then study part. What's the first one? GIS task. So GIS task is like that. One question that covers all. How many stories are there? 2 stories. You need to create one question that covers both. Then you need to do like that. Press the bell, then say thank you, and chest the handouts. Oh, sorry. Chest out. You say listen, press the bell, say thank you, listen, and look here. Then you set the ICQs, instruction, checking questions. You've got a text to read, but there are 2 stories, then you say you have 2 stories to read.